Hello everyone, welcome to our channel EME Technologies. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. This is the best time to make yourself productive. So feel free to contact us for industrial training and summer training for ultra productivity and peak performance.
Today we have discussed we start mechanical design, sketcher, then select XY plane. अब हमारे सामने एक XY ग्रिड आ गया है जिसमें X और Y फॉर्मेट में ग्रिड्स हैं, कॉलम्स में हैं। सबसे पहले मैं डिस्कस करूँगा स्केच टूल्स। स्केच टूल्स में हमारे पास ऑप्शन है ग्रिड, स्नैप टू पॉइंट, construction standard element, geometrical constraints, dimensional constraints. First of all, I have to take a tool, profile, then I have to draw a sketch. Now sketch is drawing very freely. If I am going to use my tool snap to point, with the help of this snap to point, the screen goes restricted towards grid points. And then select profile tool and select snap to point option. Now the screen will go only snap to grid points only. Now I have to draw a sketch and then select tangent option. Now sketch is drawn. Next option is construction standard elements. Here is the tool construction standard element. With the help of this we can draw objects. I have moved it off the snap to point option. With the help of construction standard elements we will draw a dashed circle objects. My next tool option is geometrical constraint. With the help of these geometrical constraints, whatever I draw an object, that object will restrict toward the geometrical constraints. For example, I have to draw one line and then close it. Now this line will move at an angle. If I want to move that line in horizontal direction, what will I have to do is I have to make this line and then select option geometrical constraint and then line have an geometrical constraint option. With this option line will move always in horizontal direction. Our next option is dimensional constraint. With the help of this dimensional constraint, if we are going to make a single line within dimension, it will show the dimensions. With an angle is 0 degree. Now this angle is 12.365 degree. Now this line is come with a dimension. Sketch tool part will complete it. Next option is profile tool. With the help of profile tool we are going to make some sketches. Just select profile tool and then I am going to make a select sketch like this. With the help of this tool I can also make arc, close arc. Next tool is rectangle. With the help of this tool I am going to make an object. First of all I have to click the first point to create rectangle, then click or select this point to create a rectangle. For this, if I have to specify numerically value here, next is 1000, then a rectangle with height of 1000 and width of 1500 is created. Next option is oriented rectangle. With the help of oriented rectangle, I am going to make an rectangle with an angle option. First of all, I select a point or click to locate the start point, and then first of all I have to decide an angle. Okay, then show the height. Height is 150 mm, and now a rectangle is created with a dimension with 150 mm height. Next option is parallelogram. Parallelogram I have to show with an angle 45 degree, then height, and then next angle. Next tool is elongated hole. With the help of this tool I am going to make a straight first to second point option and then radius. Now this is a straight elongated hole. Next tool is cylindrical elongated hole. First of all I have to specify a center point, then a next point, then another next point, then radius, elongated hole radius, and elongated hole is created. Next tool is keyhole profile. With the help of this keyhole profile I have to create first second point, then smaller radius, then larger radius. Next tool is hexagonal. I have to click on the center point, then dimension. I am going to enter dimension of 500, then angle is 0 degree. Enter. Now a hexagonal shape is created. Next tool is centered rectangle. Centered rectangle. With the help of this centered rectangle I have to click on the screen, then with the help of height and width I am going to make a centered rectangle. Now a rectangle with an height of 1000 and width of 800 is created. Next tool is centered parallelogram. For centered parallelogram I have to create a profile, with a centered line. Then I have to create centered parallelogram. First click on the first line and then second line, then a a centered parallelogram is created.